Hello kids, welcome to Soaring Kids. Today we are going to learn 1 to 10 number practice. Okay? Count the pictures and match the correct number. Okay? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 airplanes. Where is number 2? Yes, this is number 2. So match the number 2. Very good kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boards. Where in number 5? Yes, this is number 5. Match the number 5. Very good. Good job, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boards. Where is number 7? Yes, this is number 7. So match the number 7. Very good, kids. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 helicopters. Where is number 6? Yes, match the number 6. Very good, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 drums. Where is number 8? Yes, match the number 8. Very good, kids. Very good. 1. 1 car. Where is number 1? Yes, match the number 1. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hands. Where is number 4? Yes, match the number 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3. 3 alligators. Where is number 3? Yes, match the number 3. I'll show you some numbers and you can tell me what number it is. Okay? 1, 4, 6, 7, 9. What number it is? This is number 9. What number it is? This is number 7. What number it is? This is number 6. What number it is? This is number 4. What number it is? This is number 1. What number it is? This is number 10. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.